Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the song is accessible, either downloaded in Apple Music or a local file. You need the file on your Mac/PC and your iPhone signed into the same Apple ID. Pick the clip you want and mark exact start and end times. iPhone ringtones must be under 40 seconds. Once done, make sure you can play the full clip. These precise timings save you time in the conversion and avoid rework later. Next, you'll create the ringtone file, open Music or iTunes, make a short AAC version using the start/end times, then export that 30-40 second clip as M4A. Once exported, rename the extension from M4A to M4R so the system recognizes it as a ringtone. Now, connect your iPhone and use Finder or iTunes to add the M4R file to your device's tone section. This step converts a song into an installable ringtone that iOS accepts. Finally, set the tone on your iPhone. Open Settings, tap Sounds and Haptics, then Ringtone and pick your new custom tone. If it doesn't appear, make sure the file is under 40 seconds and that your iPhone synced with the same Apple ID. Resync the tones section in Finder or iTunes. If problems persist, restart your iPhone and reconnect. That often forces the library to refresh. If the tones still won't load, re-export the clip ensuring AAC format and correct M4R extension.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.